Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Honda Odyssey key battery. So if you've got an older model from 2005 to 2010, you may have this key fob. So to change this, go ahead and flip it over. You'll see in the back there's a small Phillips screw. You'll need a precision screw set like this, a screwdriver set. You can get this for like $4 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link at the bottom to this set. So we're just going to unscrew this little baby screw to start. And once we get this off, everything goes fairly quickly. There's just a number of steps, so I'll walk you through those. But first, and this can be difficult to get this screw off the first time. Okay, so once we've got that off, now we'll need to grab our, I would say the largest of the flathead screwdrivers. And you can see right at the base here, there's a little bit of a notch right at the midline. If you go ahead and put your Phillips screwdriver in there and then just twist a little bit, you'll be able to pop off the shell of this fob. So, and then once we've got that off, we can just pull out the internal section and set aside the case. So here, there's another notch in the upper right here. You can see there. So we're going to do the same thing as just put in our Phillips screwdriver and just twist. And this will be able to separate the internal piece into two pieces and give us access to the battery that we need to change. And here we can just put our Phillips right underneath there and pop out the battery. You'll see this is a CR1616 3-volt coin battery, and changing this is pretty cheap. I'll link to these on Amazon. Once you get a new one of these, just make sure the positive side is down, and then this you can just kind of pop back into place. There's not really any big overhangs anywhere here, and so once you've popped that back into place, just reassemble the internal piece here, like so. This kind of snaps back together. You can kind of check, make sure the light is lighting up if you've got a light on yours. Then go ahead and put it back into the outer shell case. And then when you're reassembling this, there is a lip at the top. And if you kind of line up the lip first, like so, it'll make getting the fob set and snapped into place just a lot easier, because there's really nothing here at the base that holds anything together except for the little baby screw, which you can now screw back in, and you're done. So that's how you change the battery, the key battery, in a Honda Odyssey from 2005 to 2010. And again, the battery that you need is a CR1616.